Eagle homeowners experience a full range of seasonal weather, from snowy winters and spring rain to warm summer days. With these changing conditions comes one constant concern: moisture. Whether it's condensation in winter or humidity during seasonal transitions, excess moisture can affect your home's comfort, efficiency, and long-term structural health. That's why many homeowners are turning to vinyl windows. Known for their durability and low maintenance, vinyl windows offer strong moisture-resistant benefits that make them an excellent choice for homes in Eagle. Resistance to rot and warping: traditional wood windows can absorb moisture over time. When exposed to snow, rain, or humidity, wood frames may swell, crack, or rot. This deterioration not only affects appearance but can also compromise insulation and structural integrity. Vinyl windows, however, are made from PVC, polyvinyl chloride, a material that does not absorb water. This means they resist swelling and warping, won't rot or decay, maintain their shape through seasonal changes in Eagle's cold winters and wet spring months. This resistance to moisture helps preserve both the function and appearance of your windows. Reduced risk of mold and mildew: moisture intrusion can create ideal conditions for mold and mildew growth, especially around window frames. Mold not only damages materials but can also affect indoor air quality. Vinyl's non-porous surface discourages moisture buildup and mold growth. Combined with proper installation and sealing, vinyl windows help protect the surrounding walls and insulation from hidden water damage. For Eagle homeowners, this adds an important layer of protection against long-term maintenance issues. Strong, weather-tight seals: modern vinyl windows are designed with advanced sealing systems and multi-chambered frames that enhance insulation and block moisture infiltration. These features include compression seals, high-performance weather-stripping insulated glass units with secure perimeter seals. Eagle's snowy winter conditions: these tight seals help prevent water from seeping inside during freeze-thaw cycles. During rainy seasons, they act as a barrier against wind-driven rain. A properly sealed vinyl window keeps moisture where it belongs, outside your home. Protection against condensation: condensation can occur when warm indoor air meets cold window surfaces. In colder months, this can lead to moisture buildup along window edges. Vinyl frames provide better thermal insulation compared to some metal alternatives. Their multi-chambered design helps reduce temperature transfer, minimizing the likelihood of interior condensation. By reducing condensation, vinyl windows help protect windowsills, drywall, and trim from water damage. Low maintenance for busy homeowners: Eagle homeowners appreciate solutions that reduce upkeep. Vinyl windows require minimal maintenance compared to wood or other materials. They don't need regular repainting, resealing, sanding, or refinishing. A simple cleaning with mild soap and water keeps them looking fresh. Their resistance to moisture means fewer long-term repair concerns, saving both time and money. Energy efficiency and moisture control: moisture resistance and energy efficiency often go hand in hand. Vinyl windows typically feature insulated frames and double or triple pane glass options that improve thermal performance. In Eagle's climate, this helps maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reduce drafts, limit humidity infiltration, lower heating and cooling costs by stabilizing indoor conditions. Vinyl windows contribute to overall home comfort year-round. Long-term durability: in Eagle's climate, seasonal expansion and contraction can stress some window materials. Vinyl is designed to accommodate these shifts without cracking or weakening. This flexibility allows vinyl windows to perform reliably through temperature swings, heavy snow, and rainy periods, making them well-suited to Eagle's changing weather patterns. A smart investment for moisture protection: moisture is one of the biggest threats to a home's longevity. By choosing vinyl windows, Eagle homeowners gain a durable, low-maintenance solution designed to resist water damage and maintain strong performance. With their resistance to rot, mold, warping, and condensation, vinyl windows provide long-term peace of mind, along with improved comfort and energy efficiency. For homeowners looking to protect their investment while enhancing everyday living, vinyl windows are a practical and moisture-resistant upgrade built to handle Eagle's climate.